The future of dentistry, innovations shaping the industry. Dentistry has advanced a lot from its humble beginnings through technological advances and advancements creating the dental industry as it is present. From the creation that first dentists drill to the advent of 3D printing and digital imaging, dentistry's future will be better than ever. In this clip, we'll explore some of the major developments that are expected to change the face of dentistry in the upcoming times. 1. Artificial intelligence in dentistry. Artificial intelligence, AI, has already begun to make waves in the world of healthcare. Dentistry is no exception. AI algorithms are currently being utilized to analyze patient data to predict dental issues and assist in developing treatments programs. Through the use of AI, dentists will be able to offer greater care that is more specific to patients, which leads to improved outcomes and ultimately better dental health. 2. Robotics in dentistry. Utilizing robotics in dentistry is a new technology that could change the way dentistry is conducted. These systems are currently being designed to help dentists complete intricate procedures with greater speed and accuracy. Robots are able to navigate the dental cavity without difficulty, which makes it simpler for dentists to carry out jobs like extractions of teeth, placement of implants, and root canals. Utilizing robotics, dentists are able to provide greater outcomes for their patients as well as reduce the possibility of human errors. 3. Augmented reality in dental education. Augmented reality, AR, is a new technology that overlays digital images on real-world objects, giving a vivid and immersive learning experience. For dental professionals, AR is utilized for training dental students and help practicing dentists improve their expertise. By using AR technological advancements, dentists are able to see complex dental procedures 3D and allow them to refine and practice techniques prior to performing the procedure with actual patients. This does not only enhance the quality of treatment provided to patients, but also increases the educational experience to dental students. 4. Teledentistry. It is an increasing trend that lets patients receive dental services remotely, with no needing to go to an office for dental care in person. By using video conferencing as well as digital imaging, dental professionals are able to identify oral health issues as well as provide treatment suggestions, as well as prescribe medicines for patients at the convenience of their homes. Teledentistry is particularly helpful for people living in rural or underserved areas that might have difficulty getting access to dental treatment. In bridging the gap that exists between dentists and patients, it is improving general accessibility and affordability of dental care. 5. 3D printing in dentistry. 3D printing technology has been a huge impact in the dental field, permitting the manufacture of custom dental implants, dental crowns, as well as orthodontic appliances. Through the help of 3D printers, dentists have the ability to produce precise dental restorations, which are specifically designed to meet the specific needs of each patient's demands. This is not just a way to cut down the cost and time involved to traditional procedures for dental, however, it also increases the overall quality and appearance of the finished result. Since 3D printing continues to develop, it is possible to find more and more creative ways to use it in dental procedures. Conclusion. The future of dental care is promising, with revolutionary advances in technology and innovations that are creating one that is more precise, efficient, and a patient-centric sector. The use of robotics and artificial intelligence, as well as the incorporation of technology like augmented reality and teledentistry, the possibilities of innovations in dentistry are endless. In the years ahead, we will continue pushing the limits of technology and adopt different ways to provide dental care. The next phase of dentistry will surely be a much more exciting and satisfying one for the patients as well as the practitioners.